Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your REALME Narzo N53. So in the first step, open the Play Store, tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Oh, sorry. Okay, now it's look better. So now you have to add a permissions camera and to device. Remember, there you have your free credit banner to send your message. For free, of course. Okay, now click on the plus and choose Start Saver Document. I guess something from the gallery. This one, for example. Now click on the import and add user shape to the document. If you already click on the arrow icon, and now you can choose a filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you already click on the accept icon, now type the number in this place, choose the counter from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.